In this video, I'll show you how to fix Gears of War E-Day if it's crashing, refusing to launch, freezing on a black screen, or shutting down right after startup. Follow these troubleshooting steps to get the game running smoothly again. First, adjust your launch options. Some games need specific launch parameters to run correctly. Right-click the game in your library, select Properties, then General. Under Launch Options, try adding Windowed, DirectX 11, or DirectX 12 depending on what the game supports, or Safe if that option is available. Next, verify the integrity of your game files. Corrupted or missing files are one of the most common causes of crashes on Steam. To fix this, open Steam, go to your library, right-click the game, select Properties, open the Installed Files tab, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan your installation and automatically download anything missing or damaged. Once it's done, try launching the game again, then check for Windows updates. Microsoft regularly releases fixes that improve gaming stability. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, click Check for Updates, install everything available, and restart your computer. Update your graphics driver too. Outdated GPU drivers are a leading cause of crashes. Whether you're on NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, grab the latest driver straight from your manufacturer's website, install it, and restart your PC before testing the game again. If you're on a laptop with both integrated and dedicated graphics, force the dedicated GPU. Windows sometimes launches games using the wrong one. Go to Settings, System, Display, then Graphics. Add the game's executable if it isn't listed, set it to high performance, save your changes, and relaunch the game. Increase your virtual memory as well. Low virtual memory can trigger crashes, especially in demanding titles. Search for Advanced System Settings, open Performance Settings, go to Advanced, and under Virtual Memory, click Change. Either enable automatically manage paging file size or set it manually, then restart your PC. Also reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ and DirectX. Missing or damaged runtime libraries can stop games from launching at all. Reinstall or repair the Visual C++ redistributables and the DirectX end-user runtime, then restart your system. Finally, restart your PC one more time to lock in all the changes, then relaunch Gears of War E-Day and see how it runs. If this guide helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more gaming troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.